Let me tell you something honestly. Most people preparing for the CELPIP speaking test don't actually know what the examiners are looking for. They memorize complicated answers, they panic, and then they wonder why they get a 7 instead of a 10 or 12. But the truth is, CELPIP speaking is actually very predictable. If you understand the 8 speaking tasks, the scoring criteria, and a few simple strategies, you can dramatically increase your score. So in this video, I'm going to explain every CELPIP speaking task in under 8 minutes, including what you should do and what you should never do. Let's start with the scoring parameters. Before we talk about the tasks, you must understand how CELPIP speaking is scored. There are 4 main scoring criteria. 1. Content, coherence. Are your ideas clear and logical? 2. Vocabulary. Are you using appropriate words? 3. Listenability. This includes pronunciation, clarity, and fluency. 4. Task fulfillment. Did you actually answer the question properly? Notice something important. CELPIP is not testing perfect English. It's testing whether you can communicate clearly in real situations. Task 1. Give advice. The first speaking task is give advice. You will see a situation where someone needs help. For example, your friend wants to improve their health but doesn't have time to go to the gym. Give advice. You have 30 seconds to prepare and 90 seconds to speak. The best structure is simple. Structure situation, advice, reason, example, example. Answer: Hi Sarah, I understand that you want to improve your health but you're busy. I would suggest starting with small daily activities like walking for 30 minutes. This is helpful because it doesn't require a gym membership and it's easy to fit into your schedule. For example, you could walk during your lunch break or after dinner. Do speak naturally. Give practical advice. Explain why don't speak too fast. Don't repeat the same idea. Task 2. Talk about a personal experience. In this task, you describe a personal experience from your life. Example prompt: talk about a memorable trip you took. The key here is storytelling. Structure: when, where, what happened, why it was memorable. Example: last year I traveled to Vancouver with my friends. We spent 3 days exploring the city and visiting the mountains nearby. One of the most memorable moments was hiking early in the morning and watching the sunrise over the mountains. It was an incredible experience because the view was breathtaking. Do's add details. Speak like a story. Don't give one-sentence answers. Don't panic about grammar perfection. Task 3. Describe a scene. In this task, you will see a picture and you must describe it. You have 30 seconds preparation and 60 seconds speaking. Many students try to describe everything. That is a mistake. Instead, describe 3 or 4 key things. Structure, overview. People, activities, atmosphere. Example: this picture appears to show a busy outdoor market. In the foreground, several people are walking between different food stalls. On the left side, a vendor is selling fresh vegetables while customers are looking at the products. In the background, more people are socializing and enjoying the lively atmosphere. Do speak continuously. Use location phrases, examples: in the foreground, on the left side, in the background. Don't stay silent. Don't overanalyze the picture. Task 4. Make predictions. In this task, you predict what might happen next in a situation. Example prompt: your friend is starting a new business. What do you think will happen? Use future language, structure prediction, reason, possible outcome. Example: I believe the business will be successful because the demand for online services is growing rapidly. If the company focuses on good customer service and marketing, it could attract many new clients. However, it might also face competition from other businesses in the market. Task 5. Compare and persuade. This is one of the most important tasks. You must choose between 2 options and persuade someone. Example: convince your friend to choose the beach vacation instead of the city vacation. Structure choice, reason 1, reason 2, strong conclusion. Example: I think you should choose the beach vacation. First of all, it will help you relax after a stressful year at work. Secondly, the beach offers many fun activities like swimming and water sports. For these reasons, I strongly recommend choosing the beach holiday. Do's: be confident, use persuasive language. Examples: I strongly recommend. I believe this is the better option. Task 6. Deal with a difficult situation. This task tests your problem-solving ability. Example: your neighbor is making too much noise late at night. Structure problem. Polite explanation. Solution. Example: Hi John, I wanted to talk to you about the noise late at night. I completely understand that you might be enjoying music with friends, but the sound travels into my apartment. I was wondering if you could reduce the volume after 10 p.m. so everyone in the building can sleep comfortably. Do: stay polite. Offer solutions. Don't sound aggressive. Task 7. Express opinions. In this task, you give your opinion on a general topic. Example: do you think technology improves communication? Structure, opinion, reason. Example: I believe technology has greatly improved communication. It allows people to stay connected regardless of distance. For example, video calls enable families living in different countries to talk regularly. Task 8. Describe an unusual situation. The final task asks you to describe something unusual or unexpected. Example: describe a time when something surprising happened. Structure: situation, what happened, reaction. Example: last year, while I was traveling, my flight was unexpectedly delayed for several hours due to severe weather. At first I felt frustrated, but later the airline provided free meals and accommodation, which made the situation easier to handle. Final CELPIP speaking tips. Before you take the CELPIP speaking test, remember these key rules. Speak clearly, not quickly. Use simple structure, and most importantly, keep speaking continuously. CELPIP examiners are looking for clear communication, not perfect grammar. And hey, don't forget, subscribe to our TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Smash like, drop a comment with your next video topic, and let's win this PTE together. I am Malcolm. Good luck.